So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to draw a picture of the idea that we have to draw. So we will draw the flower first. It's a sunflower and it starts from the bottom left. We will draw an oval for the center of the flower. We are using a colored pencil because we don't want the pencil marks when we are coloring it. So we use a watercolor pencil or normal color pencils will do. So this is going to be the center of the flower, and then we will have petals going down. We'll start with the center flower, the biggest one. Then we make petals around it on the side. And one on the other side. And I think that looks good. So this is going to be the outline of the flower. The next thing is the bird. We want the bird to look like it's coming to sit on the flower. So the bird will be somewhere around here. So first we draw the face. It's going to be a circle. Then we draw the body. It's kind of like a half circle. Yeah. So this is just the outline. Then we'll draw the beak. Then we do the beak. And then the bird is flying, so we will make two wings. So one in the front and one on the back. That looks perfect. And then one at the back of the, like it's coming from the other side. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the outline. And then we can even do a little tail kind of coming down. And that's it. And then we just make the feet and the eyes. So as you move along, you can fix your picture as you require. And then that's the best part about using color pencils, that when you, even if you erase, when you color, it won't show anymore. So next we will do some leaves on the background and then we will color it. Just get a branch from behind. And then you add a leaf from here. One on the other side too, like it's going out of the frame, and maybe one at the bottom. You may add more depending on the size of your canvas and what you like, but I think we will be stopping here, and then we will start working on our colors. We will be using acrylic colors. So we decided that this is going to be yellow flowers and the bird is going to be blue. So let's get started with that. So we'll start with the flower, and we're going to do the petals yellow. We have used a deep yellow for the petals, and then our brush is also wet. It's not very dry. We want the color to spread nicely. So when you're coloring, it's important to color in the direction of the petals because that adds some value to it and it looks more realistic. I'm going to add a second coat to it to make it bright. So once you're done with the petals, next we'll start for the center of the flower. We are using burnt sienna, and then we are using this bright flat brush, and we will do these motions to add some texture to it. So we're doing these dot motions all around. So as you can see, it's okay to have some white spaces because after this we are going to use the burnt umber and some black. So it will basically have three colors. So first we are filling it in with the lighter shade. Then we are using the next color on. We are using burnt umber. So make sure that you do it here and there, and try to put it on the places which does not have color yet. So next color is, we'll do some black also, not a lot, but just here and there a little bit. So this is how the flower looks right now. We will add some more value to the petals later, but next we are going to do the background. For the background, we are going to use a wet brush and a phthalo green color to just kind of fill in the background, and then we'll do the leaves and the bird. Next we are going to do the branch with a dry version of the same color, so it kind of pops out. Then you can add some deep green as well. Then you color the branches. You can fix later if you feel that you need to add some more colors, but right now we're just going to do the background with the dark green. Once the leaves are done, we are going to do the bird. Again, for the bird, we are going to add a little bit texture. So you need to move your brush in dot movements as I'm showing. Next, when you're painting the wings, make sure that you go along the shape of the wings. And it is okay if there are white spaces, because we are going to add some more colors to it. We're going to add probably a little light violet. So next we will do the tail. Next we are using some light violet to add some more texture to the bird. So next we are just going to add some details with some black, and then I think we will be done. That's it. And that's how it looks. I hope you all like this video.
So this is how my painting turned out. I hope you all like this video. See you next time. Bye bye.